So the secret to the perfect breakfast taco bar, you need 3 ingredients. 1, cranky friends, check. 2, just a bunch of shit out of your fridge and pantry, eggs, whatever you got. Like, I'm not gonna tell you like what to have at your taco bar. We've got soyrizo for the vegans, we've got bacon for the carnivores, we've got beans, we've got mushrooms. Just build your own, like keep it simple. We've got some torts, corn and flour, you never know who you're dealing with. It is important to kind of warm them up. So warm up your torts, have those. You just put out the spread. You gotta have good hot sauces. You do have to have some avocado, sour cream, but no, seriously, make it yours, make it custom, make it simple. Whatever you've got in the pantry, just drop it out and let's build some. Let's build the vegan one. Just some beans, there's no bacon fat. We'll do some mushrooms, soyrizo. Oh, salsa. Okay, vegan, at least you got an option, right? Oh yeah, he's going bacon. Yeah. A little mushroom. Salsa. Crema. Smear that on. Queso. Fuck those tongs. And then you gotta have a bunch of hot sauces, unless you don't like hot sauce. Little hot sauce. And I'm gonna have a bite. Secret to breakfast taco bar, make it yours, keep it simple, put what you have, put what you like, don't put what you don't like. Make a couple for friends that you let your friends and family make their own. Open the dishwasher and tell them to finish up. Okay, so like I said, secret to the perfect breakfast taco bar, 2 cranky friends. Well, I got them. I got Landry and Heather. They stayed over last night. I live in downtown San Diego, which is like homeless capital of the world. Anyway, between the screamers, between the drag racing, a lot of sleep wasn't happening. We got up this morning, they're like, we're hungry, isn't that part of the program? And I said, okay, fuck, yeah, I'll make some breakfast tacos, but you're putting them together. So let's go. Gals, build your tacos. We have everything here, all the fixings you've already seen. Boom, yeah, let's go.
Landry's being super strategic here, going for the corn, going for some yummy scrambled eggs. You just make those in advance and everyone can just, like I said, it's all about doing your own thing. Oh, she's trying the chorizo. No, she's not. She's doing bacon and some queso. Just kind of being very systematic about her approach. So, you know, everyone's got their own thing. I'm busy cleaning. She's going for a little salsa. Yeah, let's do it. There we go. Oh, there's some beans. Oh, isn't she the healthy one? Yep, our collegiate. Heather, aka Supermom, is in on the scrambled eggs, just kind of doing her thing. She likes a little bit of everything. She's not as fussy as Landry, but, you know, with the taco bar, tacos can be for breakfast. They're not just for dinner. And this is like a fun dinner idea too. Oh, she likes chorizo. I got her on that soyrizo as well. A little crema. She is not non-dairy and she is not afraid. But this is a great meal for any time of week, or just like I said, grabbing things out of the fridge and pantry. She's got some mushrooms. You know, that's what's kind of important, is just make it yours, make it your own, put what your family has out, use a bunch of leftovers, you know, like it's super simple, and don't overthink it. Corn and flour torts, some killer avocado, and you've got an amazing taco. A little more avocado. Yeah, go for it, Heather. Let's get some vitamins and minerals in there. Hot sauce. Oh, this is a cool one I got from Puerto Vallarta, but they have it at Jeff's, aka Amazon. Dress it up your way. Have fun. Brunch or breakfast taco bar, it's a thing. Try it at home.
Okay, so, all right, so the angry guests, here are their rewards for dealing with homeless, barking dogs, and drag racing. Little breakfast taco action. Let's see how we did. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Reactions, comments.
Very
Delicious.
good. Worth it. worth dealing with the drag race. This is so bomb. Yum.
Yeah, definitely worth all the homeless screaming at night.
So
And the drag racing.
So if you live in the city and you have drag racing, homeless, and barking dogs, a breakfast taco bar might bring your guests back.
Now we're
Definitely.
ready. Now we're ready for the day.
Yes, we are.
What are you guys doing today?
We're actually gonna go tour San Diego State's campus, which is like 15 minutes from here.
We have
Yum.
an upcoming college gal. Landry's looking at a bunch of different colleges, so they came down to chill and have some tacos.